Hello and welcome to the tutorial video on how to navigate content and use the content management system in Pyramid. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to access content and explore the options for content management. The first thing we do is access login credentials from the Pyramid administrator. Once logged in, we will open into the welcome screen. We can either select to start a new project or access an old one. To begin a new piece of content, we can access the product modules in one of two ways. The first within the analytics workflow, and the second with the sidebar menu. We can use any of the shortcuts to build a data model, discovery report, presentation, publication, illustration, or formulation. Users can access short tutorials from this page as well. By unchecking the Show Next Time box, users will be launched into the alternate landing page for the Content Management System, or CMS as we'll call it later in this video. The new view displays information within a tiled layout. Again, we have our sidebar shortcuts off to the left, but we can also access previously opened content as well. From the top of the screen, users are provided a summary view of their content, including the number of publications, presentations, and other important analytic content. Clicking on the folder icon from the sidebar brings users into the folder tree view for the CMS. Here, the content is organized into folders: My Content for content only viewable to me, Workgroup Content for collaborating with others on content, and Public Content, which is content viewable to everyone. Based on permissions, users can see and edit content in Workgroup and Public folders. Within the CMS, users can select from a list or tiled layout. Content can be further filtered from the ribbon. Choose the Filter by Type icon and select the desired content types. From here, users can access their content as nested within the system. They can add folders and also import content as .pie files. In our folder view, we can click on the menu for each object. This is called the object menu. Here we can perform actions on the content such as open, export, pin to favorites, etc. If we click metadata, we can see additional information about an item. We can also assign stars as a way to recommend this content to others. We can remove content too. It is important to note that each content type will include different object options based on our location and our permissions. Users can also see content presented through other system filters. Content can be opened using the sidebar menu by selecting from Recent, populated by timestamp, Favorites, populated by tagging content, Most Used, populated by system-wide access, and Recommended, populated by a star system. First-time users will have very few or no objects in these view types. In the ribbon, additional filtering options are also available under these view types. Using the search, we can locate content by searching for keywords in the title. For those with the Publish module, the Feeds tab appears at the top of the CMS. When we click on the bell, we see a list of executed publications. We can click on the Initials or the Account button. Here we can modify basic user options in our account to change items such as backstage and interface theme colors, or modify more advanced settings such as default options for different features within the product. We can also revert to the original welcome screen. This is also the location where we log out. When users are building new content, they can access other content by using the search box in the tray of the application window, or by clicking the application menu and selecting Go to File System. Users then land in the CMS and can navigate files as needed for access, while their open content remains in the tabs in the background. To go back to open content, users click on the tabbed content icon to go back to the open tabs. They can also select the home icon to go back to the welcome screen. In this tutorial, we've explored how to navigate the content management system and other options available to us. This concludes the tutorial on content management in Pyramid.